Hello everyone, this is the third part of Boolean algebra. In the previous two videos we discussed about the Boolean's law. In the first video we discussed about the all four law, property of zero, complementary law, idempotent law, involution law. In the second video discussing about the commutative law, distributive law, associative law and absorption law. In the today's video we discuss about the De Morgan theorem, demorganization and the principle of duality. This is the most important question of ISC. So let's start the video with the De Morgan's theorem. Here De Morgan theorem. What is the meaning of De Morgan theorem? That means change the sign or change the variable. Suppose in the De Morgan theorem, if variable is a, change with a dash, and if variable is a dash, is change with a, and also the plus sign change to into sign, and into sign change with the plus sign. This is the De Morgan theorem. Changing the variable a change with the a dash change with the a, plus change with the dot, and dot, that means multiply, change with the plus. This is the most important rules of De Morgan theorem. So let's start the first. This is the first, a plus b whole dash. What is the meaning of whole dash? Whole dash, that means we have to use the De Morgan theorem in this question. So this is the a plus b whole dash. That means we have to, this is the a dash. So the this is a, so a is converted with a dash, so I am written here a, plus is converted with dot, so here written dot. A is converted with a dash, plus is converted with dot, and here b is converted, b, that means single b, that means it is also variable. B is converted with b dash, this is the first result of De Morgan theorem. Second one is a into b whole dash. Here also a, that means without dash, so a is converted with a dash, so I am written here a dash, into is converted with plus, and b is converted with b dash. This is the output. Let's take another example. Suppose here a dash into b dash whole dash. Let's use the De Morgan theorem to solve this question. Here, by using a De Morgan theorem, a dash converted with the a without complement, that means a variable with complement converted with without complement. So it is a with complement, जो converted without complement, that means we have to write only a without complement. Into sign convert with plus, and b dash, that means b complement, so we have to write only b. This is the solution of this question. This is by using De Morgan theorem. Next, we use the demorganization. What is demorganization? Demorganization, this is the, by using a De Morgan theorem we can solve any question that is called demorganization. So let's take another example to solve a De Morgan theorem. Here this is the question, a plus a dash. By using a De Morgan theorem we have to solve this question, Morgan. So here a without complement, a is without complement, so here we have to write with complement. There is no sign, that means multiply sign. So multiply sign or dot, here multiply sign or dot sign converted with plus, so I am written plus. Then this is the one statement, this is the one variable a plus b. A plus b is without dash, there is no dash is here, so we have to write with dash. Here also again is one dash, so again demorganize by this question by using a De Morgan theorem. So again using De Morgan theorem, a dash plus, this is a without dash, so I am written with dash, plus sign converted with dot, and B is without complement, so I am written B dash with complement. This is the answer of this question. Suppose in the examination come to the question that solve this question by using the De Morganization. That means we have to solve this question by using a De Morgan theorem. So next we discuss the principle of duality. What is the principle of duality? Principle of duality is same as De Morgan theorem but little different. In the De Morgan theorem, A is converted with A dash. A dash is converted with A. Plus is converted with dot and dot is converted with plus. This is the De Morgan theorem. This is the De Morgan theorem. But in the principle of duality, follow only these two rule. Plus converted with dot and dot converted with plus. It doesn't change the variable. So in the form of principle of duality, we here take one example to solve this question. Principle of duality, that means only change the sign. So we have only change a sign. A is as it is, we have to write. Then here is plus, so change with dot. And again AB is same as it is, because in the principle of duality variable can't change. Only change the sign. In the principle of duality, only change the sign. So again here is dot, nothing sign is here available, so here is a dot, then we put plus because dot is converted with replaced with plus. Then again C, here is again plus, so converted with dot A dash. Here is nothing sign. A, there is nothing sign. Here is a dot, so we have to write D. This is a completed? No, this is a not completed, because in this question has one mistake. What is the mistake? Mistake is that here is A into B. In between that into sign we cannot convert it with a plus sign. So we have to convert A into B with plus sign. So the result is that type. So this is the output. Next we take another question to solve by the principle of duality. Here A, that means we are written only A because variable cannot change. Plus sign, change with into. Here is 1. 1 is change or not? 1 is change because 1 is not a variable. What I am said, that sign is change, variable, this is the variable. Variable is not change. But here 1 or 0 is not a variable, so it is also change. So 1 is 0. Then this dot sign converted with plus. Then again D, plus sign converted with dot, and 0 change with 1. Then again this is a dot, this is a multiply here, so we have to write plus, and A dash, again A dash, then plus converted with dot and B dash. This is the last videos of Boolean's law. In the next video discuss about the K-map and the expression. Please subscribe my channel to watch the next video or more video. Thank you.